Well, good morning. Today I'm going to teach you a way to subtract that it's a lot easier than the typical method to subtract, and I call it the two-way. See if you can pick it up. So I'm going to start by writing a subtraction, and this will be our subtraction, right? And I am going to subtract, but I am not going to borrow. This is the two-way. So because it's the two-way, I'm going to write 2 on this side. And I am going to start from the bottom to the top. Now, you have to watch. If your top number is smaller than the bottom number, you usually have to borrow. But this time, we're just going to make an imaginary 1 before it and make it 15 in this case. Just write an if your number is smaller than your top number is smaller than the bottom, you write an imaginary 1. Don't write it, just imagine it next to it and make it, in this case, 15. So I'm going to say 7, 2, say 2, 15. So pretending that if I have 7, how many do I need to have 15? So to make it easier for you, I'm going to count with my fingers. I know that 7 to 15 is 8, but I'm going to count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 8 fingers, that makes it 8. Because I changed this 5 into 15, I am going to add a tiny little 1 right here, and I'm going to add it together. So this is going to be 6. 6 to 4, I can't because it's little. So I'm going to put a 1. 6 to 14. I know that 6 to 14 is 8, but I'm going to count it so that you know. 6, you put 6 on your head and count till 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's 8. So I'm going to put an 8 right here. And then because I changed this 4 into 14, I'm going to put a 1 right here. And this is going to be 5. 5 to, yes, 13. So I'm going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 8 again. All right, it's 8 again. So because I changed this 3 into 13, I'm going to put a little 1 right here, and I'm going to make it 2. 2 to 2, 0. And that is how do you subtract the two-way. That is one example. I'm going to do another example. And this is going to have mixed numbers, mixed small and bigger numbers. And I'm going to make it longer so that we can have more time to process it. Okay, 3, another 3. Then I'm going to make an 8. Then I'm going to make a 4. Then I'm going to make a 9. And then I'm going to make a 1. All right. So this big number we're going to subtract. So we're going to do the two ways. So I'm going to write 2 right here. I'm going to say 3 to 12. It's 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9. So because I changed it into 12, I put a 1 right here. And this is 4 to 13. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 again. So this was 13. So I have to put a 1 right here because I did change it. So this is 9 to 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is 8. I'm doing it with the finger so that you see it matches to your way of thinking. So 9 to 17 is 8. So this 7, I changed it into 17. So I have to put a 1 right here. So this is 5. 5 to 5, 0. Did I change the 5 to 15? No. So because I didn't change it into 15, I don't put a 1 on this one. It's still 9 because this was not changed. It was 5 to 5. So now I go 9 to 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4. So I changed this one, so I have to put a 1 right here. So 2 to 4, 2. And you can try with a calculator, whatever. This is perfectly correct. And it's an easier way. I'm going to do another one with zeros, because zeros is a challenge for kids. So I'm going to put a 5 and a bunch of zeros. And of course, I'm gonna put a bunch of numbers, little and big, and see what happens. All right, so not 1 to 10, this is gonna be 10. 1 to 10, well, I know it's 9. So I'm gonna put 1 right here because I made it into 10. So this is gonna be 4. 4 to 10 is 6. Because I made it into 10, I put 1 right here, this is 7. 7 to 10 is 3. Then because I made it 10, I put a 1 right here, this is 6 to 10 is 4. And then because I made it 10, I have to put a 1 right here, this is 3 to 5 is 2. And it's a very, very effective way to subtract with zeros without borrowing and getting all messed up in your brain. I will make another one. All right, take away 7, 8, 9. All right, or something like that. 9 to 10, 1. So this is 10, so I put 1 right here. 9 to 10, 1 again. This is 8 to 10, 2. And this will be 3 to 3, 0. See, I put the 1 because I changed this one into 10, so I have to put it. I changed this one into 10, so I have to put it. I changed this one to 10, so I have to put it. So it's, that's the answer. So I'm gonna make 1 mixed with little numbers, big numbers, and zeros, okay? Of course, this has gotta be humongous because I'm gonna put zeros, I'm gonna put little numbers, I'm gonna put big numbers, and another little number, and another 0. And so I am gonna put, here I'm gonna make a big number. Here I'm gonna make a little number. Here I'm gonna put a big number, and here I'm gonna put whatever. Here we go. 6 to 10 is 4. Because I made it 10, I put a 1 right here. 9 to 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 to the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, yeah, 5. I knew it was 5, so when I got 4, I went like, what? So 5. 9 to 13 is 5. So carry 1, because this is 13, right? We change it to 13, I carry 1 right here. And so I said 4 to 9. 4 to 9 is 5. So I put 5, but I did not change this 9, so I'm not gonna put a 1 right here. 9 to 2, 9 to 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. Because I changed this into 12, I'm gonna put a 1 right here. 4 to 10, 5 to 10, this is 5 because we had the little one. 5 to 10, it's 5, right? And then this was 10, so I have to put 1 right here, and this is 3 to 4 is 1. And this has been the two-way. Thank you.